Hi, my name is Tiara Destiny Reed. I'm the CEO of TDR Brands International and TDR Brands Publishing. And we actually had the honor of publishing Proven Pathways to Wealth and Happiness by Victor Vanico Johnson. It was so awesome because as we started to go through the content and we're going through our traditional editing phase, I'm looking at the information like, wow, this is actual practical steps we can do right now. And I started to implement those steps into my own life. The mindset advice was so awesome because I started to really think about where is it that I really want to go? Not just where I am right now, not just what are my goals this year, but what lifestyle am I really working towards and what mindset do I need to have to really make this a reality? And so what I loved about it was the information was so practical. It was very realistic, but I think just reading it and realizing that once you decide that you're not on the path that's going to lead you to the life you want, you can make the choice to get on a new path. And this book really gives you those practical steps to get on that new path without feeling like it's this huge overhaul all at once. I also love that there are very practical steps for getting started with real estate because that's very important when you think about a wealth mindset. We were so honored and inspired just going through our editing and publishing process. So if you haven't picked up a copy, I definitely recommend it. And I just want to thank him and his team and his wife for really taking the sacrifices to make this tool available for people way beyond their immediate circle. Thank you guys so much. And I hope that we will continue to build this relationship and work together. Thanks again.